Slaughters, Kentucky, waiting on Q503 as it makes its way south, where it'll be taking the siding to pass Q648, which is parked on the main behind us here. You'll see that once I track 640 or 503 south a little bit. But this is my second live stream from my drone, DJI Air 2S. With the latest update with the DJI app, you can now live stream on the iPhone with a few hoops you got to jump through. You got to use a service such as Restream, which is what I'm using. And it's taken me a little while to figure it out, since I can't really find much in the way of tutorials on it. But I may do one, as I'd said in my previous live stream. So here comes our train pulling into the siding here. Q648 has been having some trouble today. Its second mid-train DPU is not functioning, and from what I can tell, it's a pretty long train. But it terminates in Evansville, so it won't be so bad. Flying at an altitude of 106 feet, in case you're curious. Comes the tail end of Q503. We'll see how long it takes 648 to get a light. It doesn't take too long. I'll probably do a live broadcast of him departing. But getting low on battery power. Only got about 8 minutes of flight time left. So he's gonna have to get it pretty quick, or else I'll have to end this live stream, which I think I'm probably gonna do after this train passes. And then if it's got enough juice, I'll get the other one leaving. Well, 648's already got a green, so I might just kind of stick here in flight until I have to bring it back down. We'll back out here enough to where we can see the signals here and wait for 648 to come on north. Hey, he's already got blowing the horn. We'll move over to the other side of the track here. Light might be a little bit better if the sun comes out and cooperates. Then you can kind of see downtown Slaughters. We'll jump up a little bit higher here as well, and then back her up. Currently flying at 167 feet. And we have Q648 starting to move north. We probably won't get the whole train in, but we'll get most of it. Only got about 6 minutes of flight time left. But he is moving. I'm enjoying figuring out how to do these live broadcasts with my drone. I've always wanted to do that, but never had the opportunity to figure out how to until I found out that DJI released it. Their newest app release includes the ability to do that. Yeah, it just warned me that battery's at 22%. So we're going to come back closer. I don't want to be too far away in case it decides it's not going to be staying airborne. So we'll come back down here to the crossing. And put the drone where I can recover it if I need to. There we go. Somebody's thinking about going around the crossings. Not very wise at all. Somebody just couldn't wait. Now we got 648 approaching the north end of the Slaughter siding on the main as he heads north on the Henderson Subdivision. And we're landing.